Yes, guys, it is Racing Lawnmower time. Sorry I haven't been here for the past month and a half, but I got busy. But I'm welding up the front axle right now, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hey YouTube, so this is the new Racing Mower transaxle. Yes, it is my Peerless 630 6-speed. Gonna mount in the frame upside down so it sits lower without being messed up. And we'll see how it sits when I flip it over once I bolt it on. See you guys in a bit. It's gonna sit low, having this transaxle above the frame, upside down. It's gonna sit pretty low, which I like. So yeah, show you guys when I get that done. Then I don't know, it is done actually. Yeah, I don't know, I'm tired. I'll see you guys later. And now there are some upward supports for a piece of flat stock I have laying around here somewhere to go across and support the fenders that I'm going to be putting on. I'm going to use those Craftsman fenders that I've been talking about using. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So I'll go across like that so I can support them up off my tires. I'm going to see where it sits. I might even cut these down lower so the fenders are closer and I sit lower. Pick up some bolts. But yeah, see you guys when I get it set up. See where it's going to sit. Might just do that though. Pretty good. I must admit, that's pretty good. It's about even all the way through. Yeah, I still want to lower this back a little more. I'm going to do that. See you guys in a little bit.